Hi, and welcome to another travel vlog. I am a Filipino travel vlogger, and this vlog is about our road trip across North America. We first flew from Manila to JFK Airport via Philippine Airlines business class. Then, my dad decided that it's much cheaper to buy a second-hand car rather than rent one for our road trip. We started our road trip in New Jersey and did our first camping experience in Chenango Valley State Park. After that, we hiked the Watkins Glen State Park, saw the Tagonoc Falls at Tagonoc Falls State Park, went up in the Chimney Bluffs State Park, and did an overnight camping in the beautiful Letchworth State Park. From the Letchworth State Park, we did a food trip in Buffalo, New York, then went south to see the Eternal Flame in Chestnut Ridge Park. We also picked blueberries in Burdick Farm that afternoon. We crossed over the New York-Pennsylvania border and we first drove through Presque Isle State Park and had our brunch at the Lawrence Park Diner. We crossed the Pennsylvania-Ohio border and took some pictures at the Middle Road Covered Bridge, and since we were in Amish County, we stopped by the End of the Commons General Store, Ohio's oldest general store. Then we drove west to Cleveland to see the beautiful historic shopping center called the Arcade. For that night, we camped at the Cuyahoga Valley National Park. In today's vlog, we are going to Frankenmuth, Michigan's German town. Christmas town nila to kasi. We're now here at Frankenmuth. I think it is the Bavarian or German town in Michigan, and it's the Christmas town of Michigan. Located dito yung largest Christmas store. And we are here at the North Main Street. We're going to walk down the street and go back. Welcome back to another travel vlog. We are here now at Michigan. We crossed over last night from Ohio to Michigan, and my vlog is over here from our previous day if you haven't watched it. So yes, we will be walking down this Frankenmuth town. I'm very excited because it's one of the tourist spots here in Michigan. Frankenmuth is a city in Michigan known for its Bavarian style architecture. And roots niya is German ma, kaya pala ang welcome niya is willkommen. Sabi ni Papa, it's a German word. And even the Frankenmuth is like the Frankfurt, which is in Germany. Frankenmuth is Michigan's little Bavaria because its roots is from the German, and I think the first settlers are Lutherans. Now this is a tourist spot, so I'm gonna warn you guys na yung mga prices of the bilihin and the food are tourist price, which means it's kinda higher than the normal. If you are in the budget side, then it's fine. You can appreciate the beauty of the town just by walking the main street of the town. You will see a lot of cute little stores. You can go in, touch the little things, you know, just window shopping. And you will really appreciate even just by walking the beauty of the town. So there's no right or wrong way to visit this town. It's cute. Now we are beside the visitor center, and I was trying to find a geocache treasure. I'm almost near it. I'm actually on it sa mapa. Pero hindi ko talaga mahanap. Anyway, we're here at the visitor information. We're just gonna see what's in there. So we got some maps and some coupon books and some things to do here. So, but we're just gonna walk down to the Jefferson Street and then go back up to where we parked the car in the north end of the main street. Okay, so we're now going to the covered bridge. It is called, I cannot pronounce it, it's German. But it's very cute. It's one of the highlights here, and they even have a shop beside it. And it's between the covered bridge shop and the Bavarian Inn. Please be kind to the historic bridge by not climbing, writing, or carving on it. So we're walking on the pedestrian side of the covered bridge it has a two-sided pedestrian walkway, and I think this is the river of the Frankenmuth. Ganda. Pero sabi ni Papa, it's not that old because it's built in 1970s. It's a bit raining. We just walked in the river place, river place shops here. And the designs of the shops are really cute, very, very quaint, and very, very European, like Germany, Dutch, Bavarian, all melt into one. Mukha mo na eh. From the Zender's restaurant, and it is the first restaurant here in Frankenmuth. This is their sign, very, very 90s or 80s, 90s. But they remodeled the front, which makes them exudes more American feel rather than the German roots of it. We have 4 flags. I don't know what does that mean. I know they want the American flag, Zender flag, and the Canada flag. I don't know the other one. We're now going to the country store, which is, it has a tag. It says Michigan's most unusual country store. So we're going inside, and I'm excited if I can buy something, you know.
Yeah, you can get wherever you want, Joe.
All kinds of items. This is nice. Our fudge does not melt. Low in fat. So the server recommended this flavor, but their bestseller is the chocolate.
Any more dark chocolate, just are gonna be less sweet than vanilla.
Dark chocolate.
Here's the list of the ingredients.
Sugar, dry corn syrup, dairy cream. The 10 steps: batching, cooking, pouring, cooling, creaming, loafing, setting, cutting, selling, eating. Bakit niya kinikilo din yun? Frankenmuth woolen mill. Michigan's oldest operating woolen mill. Bili tayo na isang sausage dyan sa Willis, ma.
Yeah.
Willis sausage. Isa lang.
Saan?
Yan o, sa Willis sausage. Di ba ang Frankfurt is... Frankfurt? Ano nga yung tinanong mo kanina sa visitor center?
Frankfurter.
Di ba sausage yun?
Oo.
Our worst is the best. Hi, what would you recommend for us to buy the worst, right?
Okay, well, yeah, worst is the word for sausage.
Uh-huh.
It just depends on what you like. We have lots of different flavors. These are generally going to be your more plain ones, just your smoked brat and your cooked brat.
What's your best seller?
It depends on the day.
Oh,
Yesterday
okay.
we sold a lot of the chicken feta, which
Uh-huh. But your original flavor is...
the ones we serve like indoors for our hot brat sandwiches are the smoked brat.
Oh, you sell sandwiches also? Oh, yun na yung kaya. Which is-
There's two of each flavor. That way you can try different things without having to.
We'll be getting this one of the original sampler.
One of the original?
Yes. We're walking now back to our car, and there's even a Bible church here. I guess this would be a Lutheran church. But even the design outside is very Germany and very Bavarian feel. If you are in the area, you should visit this town because it is a cute little town and cute little pictures to be taken. You can also visit the biggest Christmas store here in Michigan. I think it's called the Bronner's store. We're not going to visit there because we're not into Christmas decors or Christmassy things. But if you're into those, you should visit it. If you're coming from the south end, I think you will first see it before reaching the main street. So this is where we park. It's in the Wang's Bistro parking lot, and it's front of Taco Bell. It's near the Exxon gas station. So we're parked on the north end of the main street. You can park on either end, like on the south end, which is much more, dun ata nag-start yung mga tourist shops. And on the south end is also where you can find the Bronner's Christmas store. If you're into that, you should park there and maybe just walk. But parang malayo eh. If you don't want to, I think there's parking lot in the south end of the main street. But you can park on either end. And we just walked, I think, a kilometer or a mile long, and then we went back on the other side of the street. So I have to close this vlog. I just want to show you guys the town of Frankenmuth and the little Bavaria of Michigan. Here it is. This is the main street. We're on the north end. And yeah, we're going to our next destination, which is on the northwest side of Michigan. And that will be on my next vlog. We will be going to the Sleeping Bear Dunes, or Sleeping Bear Dunes. We'll be spending a night there and then explore the park next day. That will be my next vlog. I hope I will see you in my next vlog. So make sure you are subscribed to my channel, because every time I upload a new video, you will be notified if you are subscribed. Don't forget also to comment below, like this video if you've been here in this little cute town, and tell me what store did you shop and other things that I haven't mentioned or I didn't know about this town. So yeah, I'll see you in my next travel vlog. Bye!